Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some hair transformations. Here we see someone who decided to cut their hair into a bob. Ooh, absolutely gorgeous bob haircut. Love the tousled waves. Very nicely done. And then we see someone with mid-length hair. So not only did she go shorter with a bob, but she also dyed the hair red. Very nicely done. Next up, we have another bob haircut style. Wow. Look at that rainbow hair color. That is absolutely stunning, mixed with the blonde. So pretty. And then we see someone with mid-length hair yet again. Stylist does a beautiful pixie bob style for this one. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. I love how much volume this hair is. Her hair looks amazing. Absolutely gorgeous shape and texture. And she has volume for days. Beautifully done. Next up, we have someone with some gorgeous red hair. So the stylist is cutting some layers for this hair change. Wow. So pretty. I love that color. And then we have someone here who wants to go shorter. Ooh, very impressive chic bob makeover. Such a gorgeous style. Next up, we have someone getting some color done. chic blonde bob. I love the bangs. So pretty. And then we have another layered haircut. Wow, her hair looks so gorgeous. I love the color. The layers look amazing. And then we have a French girl style bob. This is a very popular hair trend for 2023. Oh, very nice. Absolutely love the shape and texture. And then we move into someone who has long mid-back length hair. The stylist chops off that ponytail. Wow. Another gorgeous, remarkable pixie bob style. I love the feathered bangs. So beautiful. And then we have a very unique style with this teal hair color transformation. Wow. Oh, I love the shape and texture of her hair, and the color looks unreal. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these transformations with me today. If you did, please be sure to like the video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.